Welcome at Zero Waste Tech Limited. Here we have a Smart Bio Septic Tank, which is a 1.5 meter cubic. Our technician will tell.
Thank you very much, Madam Mary, for the wonderful introduction. As you have heard, we are going to discuss about this tank, commonly known as a biodigester, which is 1.4 meter cubic for domestic use. The tank itself has three chambers as you can see. Chamber 1 is where we collect both the black and the gray water from the last manhole from the houses. It is trapped into this. Inside here, there are a number of things. As you can see, there is a siphon here, and we highly recommend installation of tees at the inlet. This will be very helpful when there are blockages. Also, it minimizes chances of blockages onto the system. There's also a siphon that will allow water to get into the second chamber. Before we close this chamber, naturally or normally, the wastewater from the houses will be into three layers. We'll have the sludge, the water, and the scum. Yes. So that I wanted us to point out. Very key. The second chamber will be the same. There will be scum, water, and sludge at the bottom. It will go to the third chamber. If my director can be kind enough to come and check the second chamber, we have this siphon which will take water into the third chamber. It is very key to note that water from first chamber to the second chamber and the third chamber are of very different character. When you talk about character, we are talking about the solids trapped in that water. And also, by introduction of enzymes into this system, which have been displayed in front of you here, BioClear waste digester enzymes will accelerate or assist in decomposition of the waste, turning it into watery, for it to be able to transfer from one chamber to the other without leaving behind the solid waste trapped in chamber number 1. So in chamber number 3, here we are going to have clean, but not that very clean water. It is clear water. Chamber number 3 will also have a T at the end, which will take the water onto the soak pit. And remember, guys, there are several challenges that we face with this system. This system works best. First of all, capacity must be considered. It is recommended for domestic use. When you talk about domestic use, my colleague, can you elaborate why we are talking about a domestic use only?
Because it carries 7 to 10 members, which is supposed to be 1.4 meter cubic. That means if you add more members, it will not be productive in comparison to it having less people, which is 7 to 10 people.
Yes, thank you. So capacity is very key. So the number of users give us a capacity. So the soak pit we recommend is a 5 by 5 feet cubic, where we'll put hardcore and the water will go to the ground.
So here at Zeron, we have Smart Bio Septic Tank. This is a 1.4 meter cubic, recommended for 10 continuous users. We also have a 2 meter cubic bioseptic tank, recommended for 15 continuous users. We also have a 2.5 meter cubic, recommended for 25 continuous users. And we also have a 3 meter cubic Smart Bio Septic Tank for 35 continuous users. That's the sizes we have here at Zero Waste Tech Limited, and the recommended users for each and every size. We are at Zero Waste Tech Limited. You can find us at www.zeronwaste.co.ke or contact us on 07 21986774. Expert ni mjamo.